If I tell you to delete your AI shorts right now, you'll probably feel scared, right? Because in the last few days, YouTube has demonetized thousands of shorts channels, and the reason was inauthentic content. That's why I warned you to remove your videos quickly. And the truth is, I'm making this video because my channel also got demonetized. Today, I'm going to clearly explain what mistake creators are making and how you can save your channel before it's too late. So if you're also running an AI channel, this video might literally save your entire YouTube journey. Watch till the end. How my channel got demonetized. This happened on March 22nd. A normal morning, I opened YouTube Studio like always, and suddenly, the monetization icon was gone. No revenue, no $sign, nothing. At first, I thought it was a glitch, but when I checked the Earn tab, it said, your channel is no longer eligible for monetization. Reason, inauthentic content. Honestly, my heart sank. I felt like I was dreaming. This was my first monetized channel. My views were in the millions. My first $100 payout was almost ready, and suddenly, everything vanished. So what exactly is inauthentic content? According to YouTube, content that is mass-produced, repetitive, and provides no real value, meaning same format, same story, only characters changed, same editing style, same AI pattern, and thousands of people doing the exact same thing. I was doing this too. All my shorts looked identical, same storyline, same format, just replacing the object or character. That's exactly why my channel got demonetized. If your channel is not demonetized yet, here's how to protect it. This is the most important step. Delete every AI short that looks repetitive or mass-produced. Doesn't matter if it had 1 million views. Keeping your channel safe is more important. If your channel is already demonetized, YouTube gives 2 options. Option 1, appeal video. A short video, under 5 minutes, showing how you create content, how you generate AI visuals, how you edit, the full workflow. But the truth? 90% of appeals get rejected. Mine was rejected too. Appeal only works if YouTube made the mistake, not you. If your content is actually repetitive, appeal will fail. Option 2, fix your channel and reapply. This is the correct way. Delete all repetitive AI shorts, remove mass-produced content, upload fresh, unique content, wait 90 days, then reapply for monetization. In my case, I can reapply on June 17th. And remember, if someone says, pay me, I'll get your monetization back, run away. Nobody can do that. Only you can fix your channel. The real solution, make unique content. If you want to survive on YouTube, write your own stories, create your own visuals, add your own voiceover, add emotions. Make content that feels yours. That's what YouTube trusts. If you're still watching, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your support means everything to me. So please, drop a like and subscribe, because I'm going to share my 6 years of YouTube knowledge with you. Don't give up. Just work in the right direction. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.